Do you suffer from nail fungus? You have to do this. I'm sharing a perfect remedy to eliminate fungus forever. To prepare this recipe, we need 3 simple ingredients. Take 3 garlic cloves and remove the skin. Garlic treats nail fungus by releasing allicin, a powerful compound with strong antifungal properties that penetrates the nail to target the fungal infection directly. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the grated garlic. Sodium bicarbonate helps treat nail fungus by creating an alkaline environment that prevents fungal growth and dries out the affected area. It also acts as an exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and debris that can harbor fungus. Add 3 spoons of vinegar. The acidity in vinegar can help slow fungal growth by creating an unfavorable environment for the fungus. This also reduces discoloration and odor. Apply this recipe to the affected area overnight and wash off in the morning. What recipe would you like to see next? Soft, pink lips. I knew you needed this. This scrub and moisturizer is the cheat code you didn't know you needed. This natural combo will exfoliate, brighten, and soften your lips like magic. Watch till the end for proper usage. Sugar is a gentle, natural exfoliant. Its tiny grains help remove dry, flaky skin and reveal the smooth, fresh layer beneath. Coconut oil is the deep nourisher. It restores moisture, heals cracks, and keeps your lips soft and supple. Honey is a natural humectant. It attracts and retains moisture, leaving your lips soft, hydrated, and smooth. Turmeric has brightening properties. It helps fade dark pigmentation and gives your lips a naturally rosy tone over time. To make your lip moisturizer, mix 1 teaspoon Vaseline. This locks in moisture and creates a protective barrier. 1 teaspoon coconut oil. This oil keeps lips nourished and smooth. A pinch of beetroot powder. This powder adds a natural tint and boosts blood circulation, giving your lips a soft pink glow. Gently massage the scrub on your lips for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse off and pat dry. Follow up with a layer of your moisturizer to lock in hydration and glow. Save this video to favorites and comment, "Yes, I will use it." You will no longer have pimples on your face. Smooth skin like water, real natural beauty. No more dirty pimples with pus everywhere and gelass spots. First of all, you will cut pieces of banana that you will put in a bowl. Then mash the banana so that it is very creamy. The banana in topical application moisturizes and nourishes the skin, helping to reduce the appearance of spots thanks to its vitamins and antioxidants. Now take a larger container and put 2 tablespoons of the mashed banana in it. Now add a tablespoon of white sugar. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and reveal softer and more radiant skin. Put the equivalent of 2 teaspoons of honey. Honey in facial care moisturizes. Your miracle cure for skin impurities and gelassy spots is ready. Rub the mixture on the areas to be treated and make circular movements for 1 to 2 minutes maximum. Double tap if you want more natural recipes. If you want your skin to have that glow, make this drink. This vibrant blend is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a skin-brightening powerhouse in a glass. To achieve this, let's start with fresh orange, bursting with vitamin C. This plays a key role in collagen production and helps even out skin tone. Next, carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, this juice works to give your skin a natural glow and subtle tint. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which supports skin cell regeneration and helps smooth rough texture and fine lines over time. Add lemon juice. Its high vitamin C content helps fade dark spots and brightens the complexion, while its natural acidity supports liver detox, an essential process for clear, radiant skin. Add ginger. This helps reduce inflammation and boost circulation, flushes out toxins, and gives your skin that healthy, awake look. Drink it every morning before breakfast. Comment skin, and I'll send you a free skin glow guide. This is the best anti-aging Korean rice cream recipe. Do you struggle with dull skin, acne, or uneven skin tone? I'm about to show you a natural skincare remedy that brightens your skin, fights acne, and nourishes your face. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into a clean bowl. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and enzymes that help boost collagen production. It hydrates the skin, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and soothes irritation, making it a powerful anti-aging and anti-acne ingredient. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes the skin and locks in hydration. It also contains natural fatty acids and vitamin E, which help repair skin cells, improve elasticity, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and sagging. Finally, pour in 2 tablespoons of rice water. Rice water is a well-kept Korean beauty secret. It's rich in amino acids, minerals, and antioxidants that brighten dull skin, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone over time. Apply it to your clean face before bed and leave it overnight. If you love this recipe, drop a yes, I will use it. Do you suffer from nail fungus? You have to do this. I'm sharing a perfect remedy to eliminate fungus forever. To prepare this recipe, we need 3 simple ingredients. Take 3 garlic cloves and remove the skin. Garlic treats nail fungus by releasing allicin, a powerful compound with strong antifungal properties that penetrates the nail to target the fungal infection directly. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the grated garlic. Sodium bicarbonate helps treat nail fungus by creating an alkaline environment that prevents fungal growth and dries out the affected area. It also acts as an exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and debris that can harbor fungus. Add 3 spoons of vinegar. The acidity in vinegar can help slow fungal growth by creating an unfavorable environment for the fungus. This also reduces discoloration and odor. Apply this recipe to the affected area overnight and wash off in the morning. What recipe would you like to see next? Transform your skin from the inside out with this glow-boosting anti-inflammatory drink. This recipe calms your body, fights breakouts, and leaves your skin brighter, clearer, and healthier. Save this video so you don't forget. Start with chopping up fresh pineapple. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, a powerful enzyme that reduces inflammation, eases digestion, and helps fade acne marks and dark spots. It's also bursting with vitamin C, which stimulates collagen and gives your skin that youthful bounce. Where are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. Next, slice up a juicy orange. Oranges are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals, slow down early signs of aging, and brighten dull skin from within. They also keep your immune system strong, so your body and your skin can heal faster. Add in a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Ginger boosts circulation, reduces puffiness, and calms inflammation that often shows up as redness or breakouts on your face. It also supports gut health, which is directly linked to clear, glowing skin. Finally, chop a crisp green apple. Apples are packed with polyphenols and fiber that detox your system, keeping your skin smooth, hydrated, and radiant. They balance blood sugar too, which can help control hormonal breakouts. Have a glass of this daily, rate this recipe from 1 to 10, and double tap for more natural remedies. Ladies, this one drink will transform your skin, body, and feminine health. And guess what? It's super simple. By just sipping on this, your skin will be brighter, your dark spots will fade, and your cells will turn over faster, giving you that youthful glow you deserve. The real tea? It's not just for your skin. This drink will deodorize your entire body and is the perfect flush and tighten combo after your period. But here's the most important part. It fights bacteria and infections, making it a must-have for vaginal health. Some hot water and drop in cloves. A powerful antibacterial that fights infections and balances vaginal health. Add ginger. It boosts circulation, flushes out toxins, and fights inflammation for clear skin and a healthy gut. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Squeeze in lemon, rich in vitamin C to brighten your skin, support detox, and maintain your pH balance. Have a glass of this daily. Double tap if you love natural recipes. This will give you the glow and baby skin you want. Do you have dull, rough, and uneven skin texture? Today, I'll teach you how to make your own body scrub at home and the most appropriate way to use it for effective results. In a mixing bowl, add sugar. Sugar granules are a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. Next, add 2 teaspoons of honey. The gentle texture of honey aids in removing dead skin cells. It also has natural antibacterial properties that can help prevent and treat acne and other skin infections. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. This helps even out skin tone and impart a natural glow, making it useful for reducing hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Add body wash to the bowl. Now add coconut oil and mix the ingredients thoroughly until well combined. The body wash will add a cleansing element to your scrub. Apply this body scrub to your damp skin. Gently massage in circular motion. If you like this recipe, drop a yes, I will use it. Whiten your yellow teeth and remove tartar in just 2 minutes. Transform your smile instantly with this easy recipe and make your teeth shine bright like pearls. So save this video before it disappears. To begin, we need banana peel. Remove the inner content of the banana peel. Banana peels whiten teeth and remove yellowing. Then mash it well. Put the banana peel content in a bowl. Then we need lemon. Add a teaspoon of lemon juice in it. Then add a teaspoon of salt. Salt removes bad breath and treats gingivitis. Before continuing, please comment thank you to support my work and encourage me. Then add a teaspoon of toothpaste. After that, mix the ingredients well. Now how to use this recipe. Brush your teeth well with this mixture for 2 minutes. You will notice amazing results from the first use. From which country did this video reach you? I am curious to know. Your teeth will become white and shiny like pearls. For best results, repeat this recipe twice daily. Keep the remaining mixture in the refrigerator. And don't forget to support me by liking and sharing this video and follow me for more natural medicine. Thank you.